Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's a quick tutorial and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve Microsoft Store with the error code 0x8086000c in Windows computer. So Windows error code 0x8086000c is a bothersome issue that is most frequently reported when attempting to install or update applications through the Microsoft Store, typically on the Windows 10 or Windows 11 operating system. And the error shows a message such as "Something's unexpected happened." Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help with the error code 0x8086000c. And numerous possible underlying reasons for this error include app installations, server or connectivity problems, corrupted system files, and third-party programs. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So the first solutions we will do is to clear the Microsoft Store cache. So all you have to do is to press the Windows key plus letter R on your keyboard to open this run and pop up this run. So here in box, and then we need to type this command keyword ws reset.exe. So just type this command keyword ws reset.exe, that is one word, and then click OK. So this procedure is a troubleshooting tool which is used to reset or clear the Windows Store without changing the account settings or deleting installed app. So that's why we will do this command keyword ws reset.exe to make this Microsoft Store back to default settings and fix this error. Alright, so once we're done here at Microsoft Store, and then we need to close. And the other solutions that we're going to do is to sign out and sign back in to Microsoft Store. So all you have to do is to click on the Start menu, and then you need to select or open this Microsoft Store and then click again. And then once you open up again this Microsoft Store, then we need to sign out and sign back in. So all you have to do is to click your Microsoft Store profile on the top right corner. You can see this profile and then click. And then you can see this sign out. Then you need to click this sign out. And then after sign out, and then you need to sign in again to fix this error. Alright, so that's it guys, and thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.